Let's continue section 4.4. The last part of this section focuses on parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines will have the same slope, and perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. Let's look at an example that requires us to find perpendicular lines. The example asks, write the equation of the line containing the point 2, 5 and perpendicular to y equals 3 over 4x plus 2. So perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. How do I find a line that's perpendicular to this one? Well, first we have to look at the slope. Since this is in the correct form, slope-intercept form, I can easily figure out that the slope here is 3 over 4. The line that is perpendicular to this one will have a negative reciprocal slope. So what does that mean? It means that I will use the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal? That's 4 over 3. And the negative of 3/4 is a minus. So this is my negative reciprocal slope. That's what we're going to use for M. Okay, so we have our slope, and then we have to use the point that's given, 2, 5. Okay, so this is my information that I need to use to write my equation. We can use point slope form. Remember, point slope form, we'll write it right here, was y minus y1 equals to m x minus x sub 1. So we're going to use this formula. We'll substitute the slope for m, and then 2 and 5. We'll go in for x1, y1. Let's start. We have y minus 5 is equal to negative 4/3 x minus 2. Okay, I want to write my answer in slope-intercept form, which means I need to distribute negative 4/3 and I need to add 5. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Okay, we need to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 over 1. Common denominator will be 3, so we need to multiply here by 3 over 3. Okay, which gives us y equals negative 4/3 x plus 8 over 3 plus 15 over 3. Okay, so we now have the same denominator, and from here what we're going to do is we are just going to combine our like terms. So we have our final answer. Y equals negative 4/3 x plus 23 over 3. And then we're done. So that's our final answer.